In front of me is POCO C71, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Now tap on this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Finally, you need to copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. To pin it, hold it and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, hold it and tap on delete. To learn more about Clipboard, you can read all of those notes. To disable it completely though, click on the same switcher, and then to go back to standard keyboard, use this arrow. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!